fit any assassin din and your friend saying mechanic. Sana prophet kumichacha my sister me YouTube no baby am hwe bi am change afro and maba too much GH. Share na prophet kumichacha me so me hwe.
Memo akwa bashonko ede eba tuma GHS so meaning na ama ogusa na ebre aso se trending issues many best of more ewe yefide so nebusa for monkam honi enko ensem no empe sani yedin kaibo abetumi nim dada no ene day na eye NDC for womo enam oye womo 9 lawyers for eko eye Supreme Court edi petition election petition at the Echo 2 women efa abatona also on the 7th December at the Ebioso declaration Madam Jen Mensa our chairperson at the Ma East and also elevate to that on the 9th of December no and one namunim say if he brawade the rubon to just say NPP ne no NDC for about point seven chere say womo ebonye so womo enye declaration no entumne and no and that is womo esha free protest any demonstration I would do not be abedin pepper so say woman edi letter election petition letter edi akoma Supreme Court a woman ever share proceeding as say enchebia to say where a judge for him before Supreme Court ebetna ensem no so notice woman be biemu na to say NDC for no ensem wo bia no maka edi amam na say isi no so na ensem wo bia no maka edi amano na asat ebreya woman edi petition edi akoti Supreme Court enim no isi no Madam Jen Mensa any anybody nya ewo 10 days woman so be responding to electoral petitioner akoda Supreme Court enim na tese woman so edi woman ewo kan fa wono no woman so edi akoto Supreme Court enim na 9 members legal team at NDC for the woman edi woman kan edi petition no to Supreme Court as at 12:00 p.m. no Jodi Kai former attorney general and minister for justice Marietta Brew appear upon early ebiemu so no honorable Dr. Dominic Akuri Tinga Ayin early ebiemu so no member of parliament for Boligatanga East and also former attorney general and minister of justice Dr. Abdul Basit Aziz Bamba early ebiemu so no honorable Alex Segbefia director of international relations NDC apento no woye juma ana ebiemu so no Abraham Amaligba any anata no ye director legal of NDC any ebiemu so Sami Jemfi Kakra Esa Mua any Joyce Bewa Moktari any Godwin Dudi Tamaklo woman 9 member legal team woman edi petition no edi Echo Supreme Court and day na statement for so abeto the press statement general secretary edima NDC no wodi abeto da wodi ensemmanya fem te o makokot no ako puti on petition edi ato Supreme Court ni na embom no enumewe as at 8 p.m. no mampeni da John Dramani Mahama obeba bonte abe address o mamuni nia efa de womo de Echo so edi de da womo nima womo ehwe nim se ebeba edi ama ameniko no eni gana munia na press release no ebusa for mam kwan na menkenkan emu ensem enfa emamo say the National Democratic Congress wishes to inform the general public that at about 12 p.m. this afternoon, the leader and presidential candidate of the party, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, caused his lawyers to file a petition in the Supreme Court of Ghana to challenge the 2020 presidential election result declaration by the chairperson of the Electoral Commission of Ghana. The petition was filed pursuant to the party's audit of the 2020 presidential results and extensive consultations with the National Executive Committee and Council of Elders of the party. The petition details serious violation of the 1992 Constitution by the Electoral Commission and its chairperson and returning officer for the presidential election. Mrs. Jane Adukwe Mensah in the conduct of their constitutional and legal responsibilities. It seeks, among others, a declaration from the Supreme Court to the effect that the purported declaration of the results of the 2020 presidential election on the 9th day of December 2020 is unconstitutional, null and void, and of no effect whatsoever. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama shall be addressing the nation at 8 p.m. today on the petition filed and other related matters. The underlisted personalities have been assigned as spokesperson on the matter and may be contacted by the media after the petitioner's address to the nation and throughout the hearing of the matter. Honorable Marietta Brew Apia Opong, former Attorney General and Minister for Justice. Honorable Dr. Dominic Akurintinga Ayin, Member of Parliament for Bolgatanga East and former Attorney General and Minister of Justice. And Dr. Abdul Basit Aziz Bamba, Member of NDC Legal Team. Honorable Alex Besia, Director of International Relations, NDC. Abraham Amaliba, Director Legal, NDC. Sami Jemfi, National Communications Officer, NDC. Kakra Asamua, NDC Communications Director. Joyce Bewa Motari, Special Aid and spokesperson of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Godwin Eduzi Tamaklu, member of NDC Legal Team. As I said, Honorable Johnson Asidun Ketia, General Secretary, Edema NDC no Esan Krata na FFFM. Na wutie womo ensem kikanwa, womo patche se. EC chairperson oda no Madam Jane Mensah declaration na womo edibetu da no womo akofile se sa declaration no any constitution mu any mrane bobra any mrane bobra entenunti no yen consider na null and void that say the okan bia no entimi enya adwuma awo man mu na that say aka na kakra bi so a yes 7 January beba na say akwa inauguration no so na say enso san ben and womo petition amako file de beba wo man mu no anya so bi so for yet wo man Ghana mu yeni adiecha ye hwe process a womo efem nia proceedings bi a ebekọ so e wo ye Supreme Court petition mo akọ file nia no ye be so mo e wo video so nti womo tie na subscribe so won subscribe ya na ebiem so no wo comment no fato ye comment section na share video we on all the social media platform follow ye our Instagram and Twitter so @tumagh_, Facebook so @tumagh. Midi dana ama obuswa na me ya aduma ye be dey shabi makramo.